groove and get into it. Playing music, so drop what you're doing. Dropping ammo, like an ammo. This beat is a slammer. You know it's going deeper and deeper. Watch out from the creepers in the night. I'm in this game for life. Saying fuck one time because we never die. We will multiply. I'm riding high and my spirit is wild like the tricks of the mind. Cause homie hell, straight from the hell, I'm telling you the right things. Yeah, I'm calling you bluff, cause it never enough the acting a fool, having some fun, still will be funkin' and you know it will come. Is that what do you love? Laid back sound from the trunk, held down Eminem style, emptied up. Tell us what do you love? What do you love? Is that what do you love? Laid back sound from the trunk, held down Eminem style, emptied up. Tell us what do you love? What do you love?
Yeah, I love it in the summertime, sitting on beach, dipping through the beach, hitting switches with ease. Keep the chronic in the air, strapped by my side. On the west coast, it's mandatory how we ride. Prolific in the streets, you see the G in me. Stay composed to handle those who try to snitch on this. Keep your friends close, but your enemies even closer. It's Big Boss Dub, known to throw 'em from the shoulder. It's the dapper one, on one, Chucks on my feet. International player, taking flights overseas. Got a skirt in Paris, Lyon and Rome. Sitting back, blowing, sipping silver Patron. No one can do it better. Got a pocket full of cheddar. Seldom seen but understood. Who's a go-getter? Feel the beat from the bass. Watch the low scrape. Split the ground, crack the earth, raise up and shake. I'm gone.
Is that what do you love? Laid back sound from the trunk, held down Eminem style, emptied up. Tell us what do you love? What do you love? Is that what do you love? Laid back sound from the trunk, held down Eminem style, emptied up. Tell us what do you love? What do you love?
I'm loving all the love that I get out in these streets. You wouldn't believe how far around the world to reach. Got people all around and we connect like some Legos. No matter where I'm at or whatever way my day goes, whether in LA or somewhere overseas. I'm out to the days representing Chase the Cheese. You can see it in my eyes just in case you haven't seen it. Where we push the low riders and we mean it when we lean it. I'm in the fast lane, follow at your own risk. Where we go against the grain, 5 shots and watch 'em miss. Real recognize real, so ain't no need to show out. Homies wanna kick and sip, drink and have a smoke out. That's the way we do it out here. You can check, so you can respect it, or we can make it hectic. They take flicks, give it up, hang out and hug me. I go all out for them, so I know they'll always love me.
Is that what do you love? Laid back sound from the trunk, held down Eminem style, emptied up.